You can park there somewhere on a corner.
You want me to pull like on this left on Frankfurt left? Face
guess.
this way? Okay.
Yeah.
Because I don't see anywhere to pull out from here. We can look up the top of the cornfield.
Careful, we got cars.
Right here. It's just the back shots.
Oh, it's the truck. It's open.
Is it still open?
Yes.
Okay.
Get that pulling one on you. I don't want to. Be careful.
Yeah. No. Do you want me to get away from this pole?
Yeah, because this post blocked my entire view.
Okay.
Damn it, I missed that one.
Just be careful. Get out.
I don't really want to get out.
Okay.
Post light, it's going to be hard to get on video.
I have a major wind speed of 32 miles an hour, 2 miles west of Waterville. Source reported by NHWAC. Where did you get that? Got it. Thank you. Hi, this is NATNV, National Weather Service in northern Indiana. This has been thunderstorm warning for some of their counties. Specifically in Ohio, William, and Defiance.
Okay, when you gotta get ready to leave, baby. No, when you gotta get ready to go south.
Oh, about 5, 6.
Okay.
I could leave it by 5 and make it before dark. I don't know where Nana's exactly at, so I have to MapQuest it, or navigate it. Oh, did you get it?
Pulse.
No, you should have got it.
It's just the pulse. I have to slow it down probably on the
CG? It looked like it. I could see it clear.
Yes, but our eyes don't look at 30 frames a second. Let's get right in or something next line.
Okay, what's your direction?